what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Beats, man. Back with a POV drive, as y'all can see. Look where we at. We at the Door dealership. You know what I'm saying? Dud dealership, aka Ford dealership. You know what I'm saying? But I can't say this. Ford makes some mighty fine trucks. You know what I'm saying? If I do say so myself, they make some mighty fine trucks. But one thing they don't make mighty fine is these right here. Cause what the hell is that? Look at that, man. Are y'all serious right now? Oh, look at the rims on these things, man. Look at it, man. That's a 5.0. Now this color is crazy. That's all y'all good for. Y'all good for a little color change. You know what I'm saying? But whatever. What's good, car crew and new future car crew, man? If it's your first time watching this video, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. You won't be disappointed. Just continue to stay tuned and follow the grind, man. I'm a busy guy, you feel me, outside of YouTube, so bear with me. But come on, man. Just watch my old video, content there. We got the sunroof open, sun, baby over eyeball. Hey, boy, 1, 2, 3. Cop car, look at it. Ooh. Scared of y'all, let y'all boy go ahead and go through, man. Look at them boy, man. Go ahead and go through. Oh, 5.0. Oh, traffic thick, but I'm trying to get right there with the 5.0. I could have went. But this sun messing with my frontal lobe right now. I gotta frown my eyebrow and making it hard for me to react how I need to. Ugly at. Why y'all being car crew, man? What y'all boys on, man? Comment down below where you're from, what state you're from, you know what I mean? I want to know, bro. Y'all want to be coming, so I gotta ask y'all a question. You know what I'm saying? Peter, airbag, you know what I'm saying? That mother do light up, you feel me? Man, come on. What's up with all this traffic, bro? Am I in Atlanta or what? I thought that was the country. It don't look like the country to me. I can't tell the country I know and used to. Nigga, you can get up at the crack of dawn when nigga going to work and go crazy in the road, man. But these niggas don't go to work. It's like everybody got the same off day. And that's Monday through Friday. That's going crazy. Somebody needs some brisakes. That boy go H2 pickup Hummer, man. That boy dragging a nigga dragging a bag of trash. Do you know that? You must be doing that on purpose. Do you can hold it out the window, put it in the trunk? That's crazy. Let y'all get a little wine. Yeah, man. Can't wait to get Scarlet right, bro. This is Scarlet, by the way, for all the new people watching. You know what I'm saying? I named all my whips, and this is Scarlet. You know what I'm saying? And the whip before that was Olivia. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Olivia, man. They gon', you know what I'm saying? My dog, man. But she was somebody else now, from what I remember. I don't know about right now, but from where I left her, somebody else took the responsibility of it. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully they're doing it right. Hopefully she holding up well. Hopefully they enjoying it, you feel me? It's a blessing. But yeah, man. That's a little POV drive, a little street POV drive, you know what I'm saying? I got the performance pages on. I don't never turn them on. But, yeah, man. I boy just listen to that WHINE. Dang, man, so much traffic, bro. Man, so every time I choose to record, that one traffic want to be here with. But if I just pop out to go get something to eat or just relax my mind, listen to some music and drive freely without having to hold the camera, ain't no traffic be found, man. Yeah, crazy. Let's see if y'all can hit a WHINE out here. That wind blowing, so I don't know. Y'all may have heard it. That must sound so good. On the inside, though. Just wait till I upgrade the intake, bro. Y'all boys, just wait, car crew, man. I got a plan. I'm trying to do with the whip, man. Slowly coming together. Y'all boys just stay tuned. I don't know when I'm gonna pop out. But when I do pop out, just know to go to them boy. Every time I be moving the camera like that, y'all just let y'all know what be going on. Look at all this traffic, bro. There's traffic everywhere. Hey, niggas just be trying to get their content, man. Oh, y'all think about debadging the cat too, y'all boys, Scarlet. I probably am, though. Cause I'll either that, I mean, I'm gonna take the emblems I got now off anyway, cause I want to reposition them. Cause whoever had them, they got them like tooted up, pause. You know what I'm saying? And they supposed to be regular. I don't lie, I never liked it that, and I ain't finna sit here and just accept it on my head. Can't like that. You feel me? I can't be saying that I never do that and then buy a car that like that and then keep it. That's just stupid, in my opinion. But yeah, man, so we're gonna debadge the cat. You know what I'm saying? She's gonna be running around looking like a scat. But that's okay, though. Cause you know it's a challenger. That's all that matter. That's all that matter. I'm being impersonating the scat pack. But yeah. Sorry, this driving is as fun as I intended it to be. Cause I ain't think traffic was like this. I was gonna, you know what I'm saying, cut up with y'all boys a little bit. But I still try to give y'all some wine. But that's all I can about to do right now. And it's super windy outside. Dang, bro, that sun blazing in my eye. That boy just hit some wine. I could just imagine the red eye. I know that must sound so crazy from the outside, bro. And if y'all get this video to 100 likes, bro, I'll do a hoodless POV, like take my hood off. But y'all gotta get this video to 100 likes in a week. I ain't gonna lie. Get this video to 100 likes in a week, bro. I got y'all, boy. Y'all not hear that whine, dog? Let me give y'all one little pull. What is? Hold on, my fault. Stick 'em. My bad for holding the camera like that. I had to switch hands real quick. My fault. Yeah, man. I see what's going on. Let me close this sunroof. It feels good along the sun that point in your eye.
Minutes later.
My bad, y'all, boy, for pausing. That wind is crazy, though. Cannot lie. And them boys in front of me in the car in front of me. Oh, they turning. Yes, just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Glide. Bro, another thing car crew, man, bro, gas so high, gang. I still got the plug, though, because I get the cheaper gas in the area, which is still, you know what I'm saying, pretty straight. But it's just like, even then, I'm looking at that gas like, bro, y'all gas ain't never been that high. But, bro, that's just crazy. Every time the summertime come around, how gas want to get high when they know folk gonna travel a lot? In vacation. Let gas be higher, like, when they're colder. Outside. Then when everybody started driving, like, bro, we had the same gas prices in the winter. In the summer, nigga, everybody be everywhere. Like, what? Nigga, $25 fill to take up? You know what I'm saying? A regular car? $40 to fill up a V8? Come on, man. I see smoke down there. What going on? Somebody doing a burnout? Or they car a little right? But yeah, man, it's just a little smooth POV, man, in traffic, bro. Ain't nothing too crazy, bro. I'm gonna get y'all boy a little pull, though. A little 1-2 right quick. I'm trying to see something. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get right. But learning my car, I know it pretty well. But getting right with it, you know what I'm saying? To where, like, I just know that sweet spot, like the back of my hand, you know what I mean? Just in case a nigga wanna get wrong, I'm gonna show him how to get going, you know what I mean? But y'all let me know how y'all like the steering wheel cover. I mean, the airbag cover, you know what I'm saying? With the blue matching the whip. Oh, yeah. Hit y'all boy with a little 1-2 on a hard tie. No burnout, nothing like that. I don't do that anyway. But let's see what happened. Hold on, let me get right. Alright, let's see what happened. Bruh, I didn't realize how far you gotta push the pedal down for it to get even remotely close to the floor, bro. Like, I ain't even push out. I pushed it down pretty far that time. But by the time I even got it close to the floor, I already started pulling back. You feel me? My bad for holding the camera now. I ain't tried to if I was. I'm not looking at the camera when I'm doing that. I ain't gonna lie. We gotta do one more. A little quick, little 60 foot. Gotta do a little 60 foot right quick. Bro, I had to baby that mug, bro. I'm like halfway in it. Had to baby that mug. Y'all heard this? Like, I'm trying to, you feel me? See, I gotta leave slow on that hard tie. Ooh, Joe Wade car and crew, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's not my real lunch. I'm just doing something for the camera for y'all, but it ain't like what I really do if I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Try to get right for real. I'm just showing y'all boys a little 1-2. That ain't nothing though. I'm telling you that ain't nothing. That's slow leaving, real slow leaving. You feel me? But y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Just wait, cuz. Just wait on it. Hey. Just wait on it, man. Finna get Scarlet right, cuz. Finna get Scarlet right, man. Most definitely. Most definitely. Scarlet gonna be right. Nice little street car. Nice little daily driver. Look like a GT350. And it is. He don't want no smooth. He like an old head anyway. Old heads don't know how to do nothing but look straight. That nigga don't need to turn their head to get over. Them boy use straight eyeball. If they can't see that mirror, they gonna go with the wind with it. Man, come on, bro. Look at these niggas, man. All that traffic. Everybody can't be on lunch break. Man, get over. When nigga do that right here, bro. Man, get over, bro. And then you drive it slow. Yeah, look it down at the fold. Like, dang, cuz. Freak your problem be, Lil D. The heck your problem be, Lil D. Yeah, car cool, man. This sounds like my car's so dirty, bro. Look at all the pollen. Hold on, my fault. Get all the pollen on the hood, cuz. They pollen all on my windshield. Pollen's everywhere. I said pollen. Pollen everywhere. Literally everywhere. But, man, that gonna be a wrap. That gonna be a wrap for today's video, though. I know it ain't too much going on. But if you stay to the end, you feel me? If you stay to the end, man, you see what happened. Get y'all boys a little 1-2, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. And like I also say, man, I'm in blah, 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 blah. Goodness gracious. Sound like I'm retarded. All right. Like how I say in all of the end of my videos, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep them enemies, you know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up in everything that you do. You know what I'm saying? Be safe. Try to be obedient. Try to be wise. You feel me? Try to be wise, make better decisions. I know some things take longer than others, but we gotta, you know what I'm saying, you gotta try. Put forward that effort. You know what I'm saying? And keep spirits high. Keep your heart pure, mind pure. You know what I'm saying? And have faith and believe, man. Have faith and believe. You know what I'm saying? But also, man, like I also say, not into my videos. I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.